Just do one more head teacher's award.
Head teachers? Are you sure head teachers?
This one.
What? Wow! What is that? Ah! What is that? It's Dojo. And that's not head teacher, but it's still very good. It says Year 1 Dolphins. This is to certify that Michael Matori has earned the most dojo points throughout the week. Well done!
Mommy,
Congratulations!
Mommy, can we laminate?
Of course! Come on, come on, come on. We have to plug it. Wait, no, wait, I have to plug it first. Wait, what are we going to laminate? Show me. What are we going to laminate? Huh? What's this?
Hey, your head.
It's not a head teacher award. It's dojo winner. Oh, well done. You got all the most points. Well done, anak.
Now we're gonna laminate.
Oh, now that it's on. We have to wait until it's hot. Okay, put it inside. Open.
Then we can put it all here
Okay,
in the wall.
on the wall. You want to put it on the wall. Well done. Very good.
Mommy, can you put it?
Oh, sure. Okay, but we have to open it. Okay. There you go. Where's you go on that side or this side? There you go. I was able to open it. Oh, here. Split it. Oh, then you put it in the middle. Because I cannot. Then you put it. You can do it. Come on, you can do it. Okay, wait for mommy. I'm going to help you.
Can you help?
Of course. Where are you? Come here. Wait. Oh, I have to put it in here. Where you go? Oopsie. Oopsie. Wait.
And wait for it to into when it's green.
Yes, it means it's ready. And it's hot
To laminate.
to laminate. Okay, come on.
And stick them like all of them that you want.
Okay, come here. Come here. Is it ready? Remove all your toys there. Okay, hold. Wait. Is it ready? Wait. It's still not ready. Still not hot. Wait. You're excited naman eh. Kasi all your toys are here. I told you after you play, you have to... What? Wait. Not like that, anak.
We have to put
Like this. It goes like this. Wait, but we have to wait. It's not ready yet, anak. You have to wait.
so we can put
So, who gave it? Who gave it to you? Wow! Congratulations! What was your reaction when you received the award?
when I win.
When you won? What was your reaction? Show me.
We put it in.
Oh, show me your reaction. You were
You were
sad? You were sad?
no, you're top.
Tap. You're
Top Jojo.
you tap the dojo. You're very happy. Are you very happy?
Yes.
Very good. Ikaw, anak ka.
Is it ready?
Not yet. We have to wait. We have to wait. We have to wait. Is it green now?
No.
Not yet. All right. Is it green now? Okay. Ay na, it's ready. Okay. You help mommy. Wait. We have to wait. Ready? Oh, hold. Oh. Wait. Let me.
Mommy have to do it.
Okay. So that. Okay. Then you have to wait it at the other side. Yes. Ready? Wow. Galing ng baby. You're the top dojo earner. Okay, earner. You got the most number of dojo points. Yes?
Watch out for Daddy's book.
All right. Okay. Now. Ready? Well done, anak. Okay. Now, what we're gonna say to Daddy? Hold it. Like that, so that Daddy will see. You say, Daddy! Here's my...
Head teacher. Jojo.
It's not head teacher's award, but
Jojo winner.
Dojo winner. You're the dojo winner. You got most of the you got the most points. Where do you want to put it? Because you had the
Over
Rainbow
here.
Award.
The-
This is the Rainbow Award.
The-
Certificate Creativity. You were included in the book. This is your Head Teacher's Award. You get another one. Another Head Teacher's Award. And we put this because you, that last
And your hearing test.
hearing test. This one. And that one is... Oh, would you like... Where
Jojo
the,
winner.
you're the dojo winner.
Can we
Well
put
done.
that?
Okay.
What can we put that?
Oh, here. Put it here. Do you want to put it in here?
Scotch tape.
Yes. Okay. Well done, anak. Very good. Oh, there you go. Oh, there. See? Yay! Come, go there so that daddy can see that. Oh, and then look at mommy now. Look at mommy. Yay! Look at mommy. Go there. See?
Mommy's gonna fall down.
No, it's not.